Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So hey, we're gonna be trying this.
Twist.
Yeah, it's like a hair twister. So basically, it's like this. So these are the notches on the bottom. These parts go up for you to stick your hair in on both sides, and then you have this button. You push it up. It twists that to make two braids.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to comb our hair out, section our hair out, and then we're going to get into this little cool thing. I thought it was supposed to be a braider, but apparently it only has 2 parts, so it can't be a braider. You need 3 parts for a braider. Yeah, but the videos that we've seen previous to this, it shows that it's a twister. So let's get the twister.
But on the box,
we're going to twist some videos here too, maybe.
Yep.
Alright, so now that we got her all sectioned out and stuff like that, I'm going to probably do, because Galaxia's hair looks thick, but it's like in between thick and thin. So I'm going to, I don't want to do them too small. I'm going to do them more on a medium size, so we're going to see how this works. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and oil up her hair first. Right. Oil up her hair first. Gel to do gel, but let's see how this works. I don't want to get too dry either. So you're supposed to take this machine. One side. Use these little buttons to push it. Button here, right? And we go spin. Alright, so that's so far. A little twist, so it twists this side, and it looks like it doesn't want to do it for too long. So no matter how long you hold this button for, it eventually cuts off. I think it's like 3 seconds. So I'll let it go, and maybe we'll run it just a little bit just because I want it to be nice and tight on her roots. And then supposedly you switch it down and we have a twist. Right there. Okay, so the end, one of the little sides, because I didn't realize it was still like twisting it, probably twisted to its max, kind of clipped out. So I'm gonna add a little bit more gel just to lock her hair on the ends here. Her hair is super curly, so I don't really have to put no gel in there. I'm gonna put her in there, but I'm just gonna do this little curl back. I see a little curl. So yeah, let me go ahead. I'm gonna twist up the back of her head and see what this looks like. Alright, so let's just say this little machine is quite interesting. I did a couple of different little tests. So one, I saturated the it's really, let's clean y'all up so y'all can see. There we go. Okay, so one of the twists, I actually, like the first two, I started off and I tried to really saturate them. The more long I went, the less gel that I used. So by the time I got up to these were dry. I just put oil in them. I didn't put a lot of gel until I got to the end. And then I did the end. Alright, so I will give my final overall review on this tool once we complete this whole look. But this is just the back. And overall, I mean, it's not too bad. It's not too shabby. But again, I will give y'all my honest review and opinion of this little handy dandy twist machine thingy once we're complete. So see you in a little bit. Alright, so I just wanted to show y'all something because I'm gonna give y'all an honest review in the end, but in case this thing don't make it, okay? This little sound, I don't know if it's the brand or what, but like, I'm not too sure why, like, maybe it's like a time limit for like each turn, but every now and again we get like this little crazy sound, and that just sounds very concerning, so I'm not too sure. Let's keep going. Alright, so that was a buzz. The machine officially does not work anymore. Like, I don't know if it's because our hair is super thick, but like, it doesn't move. It just twists, and this doesn't even do any justice. So, this is going in the trash. So at this point, I'm about to just go ahead and twist up the rest of her hair. So, BRB. So then we can compare my 2-strand twist to the machine's 2-strand twist and take it from there. Alright, let me bring y'all off. Y'all listen. Anywho, so let's get back into this. Alright, so this side, alright? The machine broke, right? So this is the side with the machine. Alright, so we got these that were done by the machine, and then we got these that were hand done. Okay, so as you can see, the difference on this is these are a lot closer. These are a lot closer to the roots, and they're like a little bit more cleaner. For me, I feel like they're a lot cleaner. Alright, so we came outside because I feel like y'all can get a better look at it. But let's turn around. Oh, got a little twist out. I just really feel like the twist that I did by my hands was a little bit better than the twist with the machine. I don't know. I'm gonna rate this little machine. I'm gonna give it maybe, I say it was about a 7 out of 10. Because we still got some improvement, but it wasn't bad. It wasn't shabby, but it was just like, really? It didn't get tight. And it broke. Like, but I think that's, I don't know if that's my fault for buying something so cheap from a clothing store, but we seen it in rainbows, just trying to be like, oh, that was cute. That was something fun to do. And yeah. But y'all see how slick 'em Joe these ones by the hand is? I would love to see what this twist out is gonna look like, because it's probably gonna be bomb. So, well, maybe I'll show y'all a twist out when I take it out eventually, if I take it out. Because she already got curly hair, so I'm not really too sure how this twist out would work.
Curly.
See?
Naturally
but that's
curly.
Natural curls though, so she don't really need no extra help, okay? Otherwise she gonna lock up. So, we up out of here. We up out of this thing. We gonna see if it turned out to a twist out and we style it or do something. We'll show y'all. But in the meantime, we gotta run away, baby. We out of here. Ain't no children's harmed in this video.